Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best RV battery box that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Camco Heavy Duty Double Battery Box. The Camco Heavy Duty Double Battery Box is our first choice for the best RV battery box, and it is also the most popular option amongst RV owners. This is a rather heavy-duty battery box designed with durable straps with secure packaging. This box can hold 2 Group GC2 batteries or 2 Group 24 batteries at once. If you want to install any other type of battery in the Camco Heavy Duty Double Battery Box, just make sure that it fits the inner dimensions of the box that are about 21.5 by 7 3/8 x 11 to 3/16 of an inch. It has an extremely safe and durable construction quality, offering corrosion-resistant design with polypropylene material. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Atwood PowerGuard Battery Box. Atwood is also a well-known brand in the market since it offers high-quality RV accessories under an affordable price range. The following RV battery box from Atwood is one of the cheapest options we have for you today. The Atwood PowerGuard Battery Box is a great choice that is perfect for RV as well as marine batteries. It is a very tough battery box that has been drop tested to ensure its durability. Plus, Atwood is also insured for -20 F to 120 F temperature range and also completely resistant to acid damage. In terms of build quality, the Atwood PowerGuard Battery Box meets various standards such as APYC as well as US Coast Guard standard for battery boxes. The durable straps on this battery box are capable of holding up to 350 pounds load, which is much more than the weight of a standard RV battery. The Atwood PowerGuard Battery Box is perfect for Group 27 batteries that are about 10.5 inches in height. At number 3, we have the NOCO HM318 BKS Snap Top Battery Box. The NOCO HM318 BKS Snap Top Battery Box is our third choice for today's list, and it is also quite a popular option amongst the competition. This battery box is designed for Group 24 to 31 batteries, making it a highly versatile option for many types of batteries. The NOCO HM318 BKS Snap Top Battery Box can adjust various types of batteries thanks to the movable divider that you can adjust as per your needs. Unlike most other RV battery boxes that have straps, the NOCO HM318 BKS Snap Top Battery Box has locking tabs for increased battery protection. Even the handles of this battery box are reinforced to prevent cracking and wear. The NOCO HM318 BKS Snap Top Battery Box offers temperature resistance for even -20 F temperature, making it perfect for snowy regions. At number 2, we have the Powerhouse 13034 12-volt Battery Box. The Powerhouse 13034 is the most affordable option that we have on our list today, and it is the best choice for those who don't use their RV very often. This battery box is designed for Group 24 batteries with a high-strength polypropylene design to ensure high durability. It also has heavy-duty straps to ensure the safety of the battery. As for the build standard, the Powerhouse 13034 battery box is designed according to Coast Guard Spec 183.420 regulations. Along with the battery box, you will also receive the straps and mounting brackets with compatible screws to offer a complete set. The Powerhouse 13034 is backed by a year of warranty despite being the most affordable choice on this list. And finally, at number 1, we have the Deca 03189 Marine Battery Box. The Deca 03189 Marine Battery Box is one of the most versatile options that we have in the premium section of our options. This RV battery box is designed for Group 27 to 31 batteries to ensure that your RV's battery can easily be stored inside this box. This is also one of the highly durable units that you can find today in the market. In terms of quality, the Deca 03189 Marine Battery Box is definitely one of the best options around this budget. It also offers universal compatibility for the mentioned battery types along with straps for secure installation. Despite the high quality, the Deca 03189 Marine Battery Box itself weighs only 2 pounds without the battery. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.